Hi everyone, this is Dr. Geiger, and this is a short video to explain problem 10-9. From a really high level, this problem deals with fiduciary fund accounting, but then in particular it deals with endowments. This material can be found on page 437 of your textbook and 438. It goes on to talk about the different bases of accounting. There are three requirements to this problem. First, you calculate the income available for expenditure and prepare a mini income statement on the cash and accrual basis. Requirement number two is you prepare the year-end balance sheet under both cash and accrual. And finally, you discuss the differences. Okay, you can read these details in your textbook, but again, the first point is that we're accounting for two assets. A $10 million commercial warehouse that was donated and $5 million in cash. The paragraph below describes what they did with that, and that you will use to record your statements. So to satisfy this first requirement, we're going to prepare a mini income statement to determine the amount of expenditures available, assuming that the foundation calculates income. First on the cash basis, and then second on the full accrual basis. Okay, you can see here we have for parts A and B, we have a cash basis and an accrual basis calculation of income, or income statement. On the cash basis, there's only two components. It's a little more number of items on the accrual basis, but these come from the scenario given. Okay, in the second requirement, we're going to assume that the foundation spent all of its income, and we're asked to prepare both a cash basis and an accrual basis balance sheet. So again, from those scenario items, we're going to prepare the balance sheet under each scenario. So again, here I've given you the format. I've blacked out the numbers, so you fill in the numbers for each, but I've given you the items that comprise the balance sheet on both the cash and the accrual basis. Notice that A there is the difference between the accrual basis and cash basis cash. So in this last requirement, you are asked if there is a difference in the fund balance between the two balance sheets, yes or no. And if no, can it be said that one basis of accounting better preserves the endowment principle? And your solution on this one should say that there is no difference in fund balances, and here I give you some verbiage that explains why that is so and the effect that that has on the preservation of the balances. Well, this does complete our overview of the problem. I hope you found this information useful and help you to understand problem 10-9. Thanks, and I always appreciate your feedback on these videos.